Wondering what the current bathroom renovation trends are in Canada? Well, sit back and relax as we delve into the top trends that have been capturing homeowners' attention in 2024. First on the list is the rise of smart bathrooms. With technology permeating every facet of our lives, why should the bathroom be any different? Smart bathrooms incorporate automation and digital technology into everyday fixtures. Think automatic faucets, self-cleaning toilets, and even digital shower systems that allow you to adjust temperature and water flow with a mere touch. The appeal? It's convenience and water efficiency. With these smart features, not only do homeowners find their routines simplified, but they also contribute to water conservation. Next up is the trend of nature-inspired aesthetics. More and more homeowners are bringing the serene aura of the outdoors into their bathrooms. This trend involves using natural materials like stone and wood, as well as incorporating plants and natural lighting. The benefits? It creates a calming spa-like atmosphere that promotes relaxation. Plus, using sustainable materials is a nod towards eco-friendliness, a theme that is increasingly popular. Moving on, minimalism is making a big splash in bathroom design. This trend is all about simplicity, with clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a neutral color palette. The advantages? Minimalist bathrooms are timeless, easy to clean, and can make small spaces appear larger. The less is more approach resonates with those looking for function and form in their bathroom design. Last but not least, there's a growing trend towards creating accessible bathrooms. These designs prioritize safety and accessibility, with features like walk-in showers, grab bars, and non-slip floors. Why is this trend gaining traction? It's all about future-proofing the home. As homeowners age, these features ensure the bathroom remains a safe and usable space. To summarize, the top bathroom renovation trends in Canada for 2024 are smart bathrooms, nature-inspired aesthetics, minimalism, and accessible design. Each trend offers its own unique benefits and reflects the evolving priorities of homeowners, from embracing technology and eco-friendliness to prioritizing simplicity and accessibility. Whether you're planning a renovation or just curious about the latest trends, these are the designs that are making waves in the world of bathroom renovations. So, keep your eyes peeled, because these trends are here to stay.